Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jules. Today is going to be like a day in my life unless something fun happens. I don't know. I'm going to be editing because I didn't upload yesterday, and I kind of want to clean and do laundry, so it's kind of just like preparing for finals kind of day. Some of my plans died and I have to pack up my clothes because I have to bring them home. And I kind of want to bring them home this weekend so that I don't have to stress next Tuesday, which is my last final, because I'm not gonna be here next Monday because I never come to campus on Mondays. But I'm gonna be here on Tuesday, and I'm gonna drive my car over and pick up some stuff. I have to clean up my fridge, which means that I have to drink all my drinks, so that's fun. I'm actually excited because sometimes I like to proportion it out for the week, so we can do that. So this morning I'm gonna start out with my kombucha. Like, I'm sorry, but that's just like completely messy. I went to my first class, which was history. She was talking about like something that has nothing to do with our final. So I kind of just like don't understand that class sometimes. Like today, for example. So I just took notes for econ because I have an econ final next Tuesday. So I was taking notes in the first chapter. I have a bunch of notes throughout the chapter when I went to classes, but today I took in-depth notes. So I just do it on my computer, and then I do it again on a notebook because I rather have handwritten notes. I think you learn better. So that's what I did today. A little worried for my finals, gotta be honest. I have to do a take-home final today for spreadsheet. I actually have 2 for spreadsheet at home and then 1 in class this Thursday. So that's my first final, and that's honestly not gonna be too bad. Spreadsheet isn't the hardest class. Gotta say econ probably is, since I'm doing the worst in that class. I have all A's in all my other classes other than econ. That's actually really exciting, and I hope it stays like that with all my finals. I know that I have to do a final writing proposal, which is due next Thursday, so I have plenty of time, and honestly it's not going to be too hard because you just have to correct your essays. Your first 2 essays and my second essay I got a 90 on, so not gonna be too hard. So today, like I said, I'm just gonna edit, study, go to the gym. Tomorrow I don't have class because I no longer have Wednesday classes. Along with next semester, I don't have Wednesday classes. So tomorrow for sure I'm going to the gym, but I want to try to intermittent fast throughout the week to help my digestion because I have digestion issues, and help with debloating, which would relieve a lot of stress. So we're going to try that out. I decided I don't want to edit right now, so I'm making coffee and I'm going to pack up all my clothes, and hopefully sometime this week my parents can come and pick up my clothes. So, packing time. I have this big box letting me just stick a bunch of clothes in. Underneath my bed looks absolutely insane, because these are clothes that I wanted to donate, but to Plato's Closet, so you get money, my laptop box that came in, my bag I used for traveling, and my laundry basket. So we're just gonna stick it back in, make it look nice, and that's the laundry I have to do today. So I have this big basket of 2 tops and socks. So I'm just gonna start by cleaning out this box. Cleaning, packing, chore sort of day. Because this is a chore. I need to do my laundry. I need to clean up here. So now, super cute socks I got for Christmas last year. These I kind of want to take with me wherever I go this weekend. Some bralettes. These socks are so good. I got them last year when I went to the city one day with my boyfriend. I didn't have good socks, so these are so good. They're from Urban Outfitters. Okay, I'm gonna film later, but I'm just gonna be packing up my clothes, so talk to you later. It's been a while later. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's been a while later. I did some laundry, did some studying, now I'm editing finally. I cleaned my room. I put these plants right by the windowsill because they seem to be dying. Like this one's like very dead. And this one, I don't know, I got it during Halloween and it's already dying. So I did some laundry. I just have to fold this bag. Then I'm gonna edit one more video because I edited one that was supposed to go up like a day ago. But then it went up today, and then I'm gonna upload the other video that's supposed to be set for Monday, which is today. And then I'm gonna fold all my laundry, study a little bit more. Then I have class in an hour and a half at 4 o'clock. I thought I'm gonna take notes in there as well. And then I'm gonna eat some food because all I ate today was rice crackers with peanut butter. Changed into this shirt, which isn't really a shirt, but it got really hot. So that's it for now. It is a couple days later and I was editing the video, but I wanted to show you how dead my plants are because I was telling you about them, and I was telling you that I wanted to put them in the sunlight, which I did, and I watered them a little bit because I get watered once a month because they are cactuses, and this one's like doing better. Just the bottom is a little dead, and this one is so far gone, but I think the top is kind of making a little comeback. It's green. See, the ones underneath are more dead. This one, thriving. The aloe is doing great. But these three, not doing so good. These are all from Trader Joe's. That's from IKEA. I recommend getting the aloe because aloe is not only a really pretty plant and like exotic, but it could be used on your skin for scarring and acne, which I might do, but I kind of don't want to ruin it because it's really pretty. But this one, I guess it's time because the skeleton is out of season. And I have hope for this one. This one, might as well just keep it in the sun and hope that this will help.